You will never again throw away the lemon peel. The lemon peel contains about 5 to 10 times more vitamins than lemon juice. They are also an excellent source of fiber. 3.5 ounces of lemon peel contains 10.6 grams of fiber. It also contains potassium, magnesium, calcium, folic acid and beta-carotene. Prevents osteoporosis because of its high calcium content. The lemon peel contains high amounts of calcium and vitamin C. It has been shown that lemon peel helps prevent osteoporosis, inflammatory polyarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. We all want to reduce our levels of oxidative stress. The lemon peel contains bioflavonoids that serve in reducing your levels of oxidative stress. This portion of the lemon also helps in eradicating toxic elements in the body and eliminating carcinogenic elements. Health benefits of lemon peel. 1. Help in the fight against cancer. Lemons have been used to prevent and treat cancer. Lemons are antimicrobial and protect against bacterial and fungal infections. When lemon peels are consumed, they have been shown to prevent various types of cancer, including skin cancer, colon cancer and breast cancer. One study found that consumption of lemon peels in tea was beneficial in preventing the development of cancer cells. The lemon peel contains Q40 and limonene, which has been shown to prevent and treat cancer. These components present fight the cancer cells in the body. 2. Alkalizing. Lemons are also very alkalizing. Cancer develops in an acidic body. The lemon peel benefits your body by providing alkalinity. This will help in preventing cancer. How to eat lemon peel? There are many ways in which lemon peel can be used effectively. Speaking of its use in cooking, the lemon peel is very versatile and necessary since it can be used in many recipes, sweet and salty, whether baked, sautéed or stewed products, salads and teas. In jams, chutneys and preserves, lemon peels and other citrus fruits will always be very useful in this type of food. In the home and beauty, as an exfoliating, cleansing, flavoring, bleaching, creams, etc. The lemon peel is very versatile and useful in this mode, etc.